How to download and install Hogwarts Legacy on your PC or laptop. So to download and install Hogwarts Legacy on PC or laptop, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up your browser, and through Steam you can only access the following game. So type in steampower.com and open up a browser, and then go ahead and press on install Steam. So first thing, you have to go ahead and install Steam on your device, then you'll be able to access the game. When you're done installing and creating your account, go ahead and log in and go to My Store or Stores. When you're on the stores page here, go ahead and tap on the search box and type in the game that you're looking for. Since we are looking for Hogwarts Legacy, go ahead and type in that. And when you look at the following game, here you have all the information, all that. You could go through it and click on add to cart button. When you do that, it's going to take you to the payment section where you have to go ahead and add your payment details and proceed to checkout. So in this way, you can go ahead and download and install Hogwarts Legacy on your PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.